Mwancho muligereri nyegenete ngo mugasogo no muyore ne Chinsa Isano Ibere ne chiteka Ibere cyabona mugaso kitariki 19 mutinyo kyanda omwaka bw'ekiri 2025 kirango kigukomanya yagendete kurwa SMS aito ya magana Amayia bunanyare ko bakagusangiririrwa ko rukingongo ao nabaliki baito obale se Chinsa mo nane mono banyare ko babikikiri bot cyabo gaiga nane mono naye asenkira abene ko bimanyire go tumanyia yagendete ase ebinyoro tegeliyo to yabwati asenkira bwikirano l'Italiane nino sentyo nyango. Mwancho muligari togo chaka nigo uroboturu gichaniro korokinga abantu babere bakure gati yabo no mokonyi bo muliki gosabwa morokyo monene ase skuru yoboroso yali amo no mugendi bwe pigipigi abo banyoro mubasuka no mubebwe para ase Chinsemo chia nsemo ya mugonga emambi yabono ime yebunke yabo machoge barabu gatonyora nko oroboturu asenchira enkirano
Tigali cyari kubinyoka nibere cyari ngamo kyari go ikeye ngangwa fate kiyenge yanyoro mungwano bwe pipiki ni gabo koleti musubatu enge madam omwikera kara kabako kwa mungwano na basinyugutama negali yasinyugo control yesengite yenge speed yanene.
This morning ne duanyora mangana yo moichano nga madam Pascalia ke muntokech otonyorire iga tonyora sekerare ngenkera goja se skuru onyoro mo paso kana aliangene skuru yo alio mobera rogoro niga batu omune gari nigo tu amanyigu ngani ga basira mono uri mobwata bwe pigipigi uri ore kogendie pigipigi
nari gosaba abandi bonse abantu bamwe basoka koruka omusibati oko tebekano kosomiriamo no mumura bwe pigipigi mutaramanya asibaberete accident yabero mobera aki nabo mukufuatiria no nyengo chimoche limumanyenga abantu abaiga nabantu baino banyora accident ya so mobera
asense amuyete ya boda abanyagari ngo tumisa bale kibago tumisera umunyagari gagocha wabatekyo yo mwabase njonje mbwate gari enke onsuguma gochia Kenya igonche ngwana ta gotarero mutaro emetintarere para igoro abana boda baminto ntuanja togo itutokoera abara ibatorore ngaki kibago tobeka ekinege ndo ya kabere kya gatatu neke tara ne limit ya lakini fure tego tanga nga totuomu torendu para ntutuma yakwerenda tobeke reflect tobeke limit na anda mabati yestage abachamani ba mintanda onsie sole kaba na boda ba mabati munabona yo kunsa iga ko stage ya tobori tabwati bati igota konyane.
Mwancho muligari igotokurwa magamba bene go chiase amate elianyara ko bagosiria bancho babo no mulikyo ito Dominic Ondeli no ara ase Chinsa mecho agendete kubwati oroboturu asenchira wikirano eliato ya sobwagale togusuka busyo umugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyalibo omojiri abajumbe Silvano Sosoro na Javet Nyakundi asekilia tebire nigo baorokirie gosonana burayi we county ya Nyamira na nene mono korokia kuburwa maskani gochia asabara ibanyamira
mambo ya detected huyu Osera taongelea na imeongewa sana. Ya mwisho ni ile tunaita Kibaki alikuwa anaita political tourism. Lakini I can call it political prostitution. There are people coming from Kisii County in the name of Osoro and the Nyakundi coming to abuse elected leaders. I'm elected. I know you've been elected before. When people come and abuse me, how long will it take to restrain my supporters? Please, because I come from a political party, different political party, let them not spoil the name of you.
Ayo niga yakwanire ase Chinsemo cha Nyamira so musangirekano bubule ndio gendrete inse y'uburayi bwo mu waziri Kipchumba Murokomena ikagendrete kurwa ase Chinsemo cha Nyamira mu waziri bubule ndi bwime Kipchumba Murokomena nigatebire ogochika kuri yarwete gochia sabanya nyimbo kubarasa bali bagwa koserera yo mulembe na nene mono bali bakoleta umuchando eli abasigari gutumika gusaba nyimbo gutumika chimbunde chiaye chiabo nigo kure imiyeli chiko asa ayakwanira Chinsemo cha county ya Nyamira asaikira nebikaro bya jukwaa la usalama kwa nyataraswa ase county ya Nyamira.
For example, is a legal profession. I just read the law. and it remains. I can repeat it 1,000 times. I take 100% legal responsibility. In fact, to show that I was serious, I ended up going put it in writing as a policy direction to the IG, that when the police officer's lives is in danger, or the life of another citizen is in danger, the police officers have a right to use their firearm. It's just the same thing that the president talked about, you shoot legs or something like that. It is not that it came from the head of the president. It is in the law itself. It says that when a police officer sees that there is an attack, they should be able to use their firearm, and the first option is not to shoot to kill. The first option is to apprehend, to enable you to apprehend. In fact, it says after you shoot that person, you must be able to quickly take them for medical treatment and inform IPOA that that has happened. And that's the law, you know. What I talked about, shoot, I never even say shoot to kill, but you people added on top of it that I said shoot to kill. I just say that the police officers have a right to use their firearm to protect themselves when their life is in danger. They may use the firearm, they may shoot the person, they may shoot up, they may apprehend.
Mwancho muligeli tokorwa se Chinsa michichenya mira nigo togoso abona sensemo ya Nakuru asa abanyagitari betugo basabire serikali gukora umusiko mutindi eliko Rusia abantu vakale kweolia ko abanyagitari bechitugo ase Chinsemo ao abanyagitari abu nigo bayakwaniraya asa umusangirekano yomo ime ye county ya Nakuru.
Working conditions for facing veterinary professionals, particularly meat inspectors, employed by various county governments across the country. These conditions have been exacerbated by the following issues. Misplaced priorities in meat inspection. Many counties appear to prioritize revenue collection from meat inspection over the delivery of quality and professional services. This undermines the core objectives of ensuring that the Kenyans have access to safe and wholesome food of animal origin. Despite the legal requirements that meat inspection be conducted by the government authorized personnel under the authority of the Director of Veterinary Services, most counties have failed to recruit an adequate number of inspectors. This has led to extreme workloads for existing staff, resulting in fatigue and diminished service quality, ultimately compromising food safety. We are equally alarmed by the unchecked activities of unqualified individuals, that is quacks, in sale and the administration of veterinary drugs. This issue poses serious public health risks and threatens the livelihoods of legitimate personnel in the animal health sector.
Na what we are facing currently globally ni issue ya AMR. So wakati ambapo madawa ya mifugo iko katika mikono ya watu ambao hawajahitimu, ina maana ya kwamba the quacks are misusing our drugs. Ina maana ya kwamba chembe ya madawa yanapatikana katika nyama, katika mayai. So jambo ambalo tunasema kama organization ni kwamba let veterinary drugs be in the right hands, ili kwamba unapotembea kwenye sub counties nyingi, wards nyingi, unapata kwamba quacks wamechukulia hii kazi kwa maana wana uwezo wa kupokea dawa ambazo hazifai katika mikono yao.
My only emphasis on the county government is to ensure we have enough staff both for the meat inspectors, disease control and veterinary surgeons. This will ensure there's enough staff to oversee.
Mwancho muligereri omonene bwege kosi ky'abanyanyimbo abo bale sense ya hit Godfrey Otunge otebira abanyanyimbo abo bense ya Kenya abo bale meyomo chiompo ta Prince niko bakolire emirimo emiya yobulendi asokorusi bibago bya barbecue korwa chipara chyomo chyoyo nabo igo asatebire niko babere bakoba babakora emirimo emiya ambassador bwense ya Kenya imeyense ya hit oyo manyakanita asili Tanur Gabo otebira nonya nabo ebikosi ebyo niko bigane tyobokonye bwenibo eligo ikirani obulendi obwo asenchira yobo ikirano.
We lost one officer, Kaitwai, who was the first that we lost when they were fighting and exchanging in Antibonite, and we did a very honorable send-off, and we still remain to consider him as our hero. And as we are talking even right now, he has been awarded posthumously with a medal because it's part and parcel of this mission. And again, the second one that we lost was just the last 1.5 weeks when we had an accident. When our officers were coming from Kenskov, we had an accident and we lost one officer who, as of today, we are doing preparations on how to repatriate the body back to Kenya. And he remains to be our hero because he died on the line of duty. The last one is the person who is missing in action. One officer who is still missing in action. And as we are talking right now, we put all the mechanism in place to ensure that we get our officer back. These victories belong to the Haitian people. They reflect their hope, resilience, and the shared commitment of our forces, drawn from the Bahamas, El Salvador, Guatemala, Jamaica, and Kenya, to the rebirth of Haiti. As the mission endeavors to keep Haiti safe, observance of human rights by mission personnel remains to be its utmost priority. In July 2025, the mission celebrated 1 year of zero tolerance to human rights violation and sexual exploitation and abuse. This is a great milestone that the MSS is proud of as it continues to adhere to internationally accepted practices as guided by the mission key pillar documents. Since our deployment as MSS on June 25th, 2024, we have been confident that MSS is a mission possible. Henceforth, we have been duty-bound, guided by a singular objective to help reestablish security and support the Haitian National Police against gang violence and create the conditions necessary for free and fair elections in Haiti. In pursuit of its mandate, the MSS mission has so far disrupted criminal networks and repelled numerous gang attacks, liberating key areas of Port-au-Prince and beyond from the grip of gang violence. Further to this, schools have reopened, markets are bustling again, hospitals, some of them have resumed operations, and families are currently returning to the...
Togotigana na yukurwa asensemo ya hiti omukonyi bumuraibwense Professor Kithure Kindiki omochiri abarai baria bagotumika abasai bobe asanyariko bagagoteba abarai abune bakari gotumika okuburu kwemere mukochi asabasai eliogo chakia chi campaign chi chikoro kyanga ni chiokogosereria omorembe imense na namona satebire serikali nigo yabekire merobelio yogo kurigia amabaga gochi asabasabo tetonyoro
vijana wengi katika taifa letu la studio. Vijana wengi katika taifa letu la Kenya hawana kazi. Lakini wanasiasa wengi wanasema tu vijana hawana kazi, lakini hawana program, hawana ideas vile tunapaswa kufanya ili tupunguze ukosefu wa kazi na tuongeze kazi kwa wananchi. They don't know. Wanasema tu hakuna kazi. So sasa wananchi analia hakuna kazi. Kiongozi na yeye analia hakuna kazi. Faida yako ni nini? Kama kiongozi faida yako ni nini? Kiongozi ni kusikia mambo ya wananchi na kutafuta solution ama jawabu ama namna gani. Ukilia wananchi walie, kiongozi alie, so unatusaidia na nini? Kuna watu wengine wajeuri nasikia wakisemanga sisi tunasikiza ground sisi nini. Sasa and after listening, what do? You must have a solution. Na mimi hapo ndio niko. Kwa sababu mimi najua saa hii niko hapa katika hii ofisi. Na sitakuwa hapa milele. Si ni muda. So nikiamka kila siku najiuliza nitafanyaje wananchi wa Embu ile barabara wamefuatilia miaka mingi ipatikane nikiwa ofisini, ndio siku ile nitatoka niwe nakumbuka hiyo project.
Omo Kenya Julius Yego oyo kurutalitimo onyororogoma ekero ali kurutalitimo sekeminano ikegendete imeyo muchio Tokyo ense ya Japan na nigo Yego akorete aselibaga ya gatano
to go in the second round
can take that sort of a punishment.
He's got a block.
Wancho muligereri buya kigima asogendete kurigeria mirubiri yaito yensoko TV na asibono iga nigo twakurira Amayia ase Chinsa Isano Ibere kuri ndo muliki ito Steven Nyalinke Bunde nigale ase Chinsemo chia nyamakoroto eyuere ase nsemo ye constituency go sensemo ye bungi ya Kitutu Masaba asaro muyega bwa matanga asaba abantu bane basambe tubagendete koenigwa roboti urunagendete gutosibira kigika Chinsa 10 nororete rugaiga nambu ya mono gochiase bali bwensi mwanyoreri baga gutoligereria na namono ngiraneri buya kigima gochiase John Kebatitwa chagete nere na nande narore toldi asensemeli ya kabere studio na boygo Diana B asengo batebi twaro mugasomuya nande tigatumirane chinga kichinde aigana Soko TV litaliana Innocent Onyango.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi onye kubotera ibolyo obosemya gusekero kendi gyonsigoro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikereri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'umugusi nuganetie byome bitingu bitari kuboneka na kokota bwango ebyuma bikomenya asige kigetambe na gokobo korali bya asemermo yao company ya Davis and Shortleaf nero munyangongo asika kimyaka 52 na kyanda asobonia bwebyuma ao byobye bwekerengo kyayiguro aseriguriria nigo bakonia chimota chipambu cyamache ekyo gushyarire bimerya mache chigenerator chisola panel amone chimashine cyo gukenura mache boigo ngukunya bari bisima nkwagacha bari giswimming pool na gugisibya nkoni bara malyogo yo gukenura mache asumu cyo busongo Davis and Shortleaf nigo bagutuka samaga cha Stage Plaza ayarigirnetie negedesenya kanege Kigali asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0708623645 gose 0206966877 gose 0206968172 gose 0206968324 ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendo tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetiri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetiri uratumie asigari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855
Kwa wale watu wa kuja mstatiwa, wachana na betri kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Betri ni Autobat.
Magega ya televisheni ya soko gwikasero yao kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liagusi onye kubwa tokuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lya bene liyokuraria asegete senieke aseriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simi gwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662.
Kwarasire asa maegerio yomonwa atabwati ebikoro nogenetie kwagacha anki yao na maboko ao omonyene aiga Borabu Technical Training Institute nigo tokwegeria ebikoro amaegerio aito niga kogenda nokogania gwechiro nobumanyi bogwakana chikosi cheito ngamona mechanics, electrical engineering, ICT negati yechinde nigo togotoka imeyomocho kebirigo county ya Nyamira asa mange twakere simi ase namba ya 0746211764 gose torikere email gwetera borabutti@gmail.com. Borabu Technical Institute, technical skills for development.
Nguriole bintu byekerero bunesimi laptop esapufa TV fridge nabwege bintu binde byestima tago chandeka soki electronics no tule iga asinjao nkoni tule bintu uchakire byenyumba ebyesalon nonya nebintu byobesi aseriguri uraikeri nigo tugutukame mu Nyamira no bokole bwito no bwokobokera twakirishimye sena